Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about restore points in Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enable restore points in Windows 11, how to create a restore points in Windows 11, and how to use restore points in Windows 11. Now, to enable restore points in Windows 11, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on System. Once you're on the system page, you will have to go ahead and click on Advanced System Settings. Let me minimize the other window. Now once you're on the system properties window, under this section you will have to go ahead and click on system protection. Under protection settings, for your default drive, if your default drive is C, then you will have to make sure the protection is on. In case if it is off, what you can do is you can highlight the available drives here. In my case, for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to select C drive and then click on configure. In case if it is off, you'll have to make sure turn on system protection is on for the default drive. You may click on apply and then click on OK. That will enable the restore points in your Windows machine. So this is how you can go ahead and enable the restore points in Windows 11. Now to create a restore points in Windows 11, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on systems, click on advanced system settings. Under advanced, once you're on the system properties, click on system protection. To create a restore point, you may go ahead and click on create. You can give a name. For the demonstration purpose, I will go ahead and name it as restore point. The best practice, you can mention the date where you're creating a restore point, or maybe you can give a software name in case if you're creating a restore point in specific to the software what you have installed on that specific day. Once you click on give a name, you may go ahead and click on create. With this, it will go ahead and create a restore point for your Windows. So you might have to wait for a few minutes. It might take about 5 or 10 minutes depending on the speed of the computer. Once the restore point is created, you will see a message on the screen saying that the restore point was created successfully, and you may go ahead and click on close and you can click on OK and you can start using your computer as usual. Now the next topic is about how to use a restore point. To use a restore point, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on system. Once you click on system, you will have to click on advanced system settings. You can minimize the other window. Click on system protection. Now here, to use a restore point, you may go ahead and click on system restore. Once you click on system restore, it will take you to the page which says restore system files and settings. You may click on next. Now under this section, you will see the time and date where the system restore were created. Now this is the system restore created some time back. And if you want to know more or access more restore points, these are the ones. In case if you don't see the restore points which you have created in the past, what you can also do is you can click on scan for affected programs. So this will give you access to the more restore points on your computer. Now once you click on this, it will give you a set of programs or the restore points. It will give you access to the more restore points. So you can choose one here. You can click on close and then click on next and follow the step-by-step instruction to restore your computer back to the settings where you had created to the restore. So this is all about the system restore in your Windows 11. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.